Want to start making money online? Imagine earning from anywhere, on your own schedule, and even while you sleep. With the right strategies, anyone can start making money online in 2025, even with no experience. In this video, I will show you 5 proven ways to start earning money online today. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Like this video to help more people learn these money making methods. Subscribe for weekly side hustle and income tips. Comment below which online income method interests you the most. Now let's get started. Method number 1. Freelancing. If you have a skill, freelancing is the fastest way to start making money online. The top skills in demand: writing and copywriting, graphic design, video editing, programming and web development, digital marketing. Where to start? Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. Find clients and get paid. Pro tip: use AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Grammarly to speed up work and increase earnings. The potential earnings: beginners make anywhere between $10 to $50 per gig, while experts makes about $500 plus per project. Method number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing lets you earn passive income by recommending products and getting paid for every sale. Here is how it works. Number 1. Visit the website of the company you want to work with, e.g. Amazon, Jumia, or Seller, and sign up for their affiliate program. Number 2. Get a unique referral link from their website. Number 3. Share it on YouTube, Twitter, or a blog. Number 4. Earn commission when people buy through your link. Pro tip: start with products you already use and trust. Authenticity sells. Method number 3. Selling digital products. Instead of trading time for money, sell digital products that people can buy over and over. The best digital products to sell: number 1. Ebooks and guides. Teach a skill and sell on Amazon or Seller. Online courses. Package knowledge into a course using Teachable or Udemy. Number 3. Templates and printables. Resell designs, planners, and workshop. For example, my book, Rich, Young, and African, helps people build wealth. You can do the same by selling what you know. Method number 4. YouTube and content creation. Did you know that YouTube pays $3 to $10 per 1,000 views when you are monetized? How to start? 1. Pick a niche: finance, fitness, gaming, tech reviews, tutorials. Number 2. Post consistently. Upload shorts and long form content. Number 3. Monetize your channel. Add revenue, brand deals, and affiliate links. Pro tips: use TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter to drive traffic to your YouTube channel. Method number 5. Print on demand and dropshipping. Want an online store without inventory? Print on demand and dropshipping lets you sell products without handling shipping. Here's how it works. Number 1. Design t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, or posters. Number 2. Use platforms like Teespring, Printful, or Redbubble to sell this product. Number 3. Customers buy and the company ships for you. Pro tip: use AI tools to create viral t-shirts and mug designs for free. To recap, here are the 5 proven ways to make money online. Number 1. Freelancing. Use your skill and get paid. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Earn commission on product sales. Number 3. Selling digital products. Make passive income. Number 4, YouTube and content creation. Monetize your videos. Number 5, print on demand and dropshipping. Sell products with no inventory. Which one are you trying first? Drop a comment below. Want more step-by-step money tips? Grab my book, Rich, Young, and African, by visiting jp@2ae.com/book. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep building wealth.